Welcome guys once again into my channel on how to make money online. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you 5 websites whereby you can put your affiliate links and then you start making money guys. Alright, as I'm talking about affiliate links guys, I'm so into affiliate marketing. That is what I do. That is where I make most of my money from. Alright, if you do not know what affiliate marketing is taking somebody else's link and then marketing the link. Then you get paid when somebody buys from that particular link that you market. Okay. So guys, if you are in South Africa and you're looking for ways on how to make money, this is the #1 channel that will teach you on how to make money online. So you can simply subscribe, smash the like button, and also hit that notification bell so that when I take out videos, you can be the first person to see the video and implement on whatever I teach you first, and then you start making money guys. Alright, so guys, affiliate marketing, as I've explained, is taking somebody else's link. As you can see here, I am on Digistore24. This is an affiliate link. I take this link, I market this link, I get paid this $1,035.23. Okay, if I take this link, I get paid $198.79. If I take this link, I get paid $436. All right, dollars guys. All right. So if you calculate and convert that into rands, you can also see how much you will be actually making guys. There are so many products on Digistore. I'm not going to be going through that. If you want to check what Digistore is, you can check on my other videos. All right, so today I'm going to be giving you 5 websites where you can put your affiliate links in and then you can start making money. The #1 website that I'm going to jump onto so that you can simply master it very fast, it is kit.co. That'll be KIT.co. Alright, so when you go to kit.co guys, what you simply do is you create a link around your affiliate product. You understand? You create a kit around your affiliate product, and when people see your kit, they'll obviously click on your link, and then when they click on the link, and if they buy from your link, you get paid using your link. All right, so that is what affiliate marketing is. So you simply come here guys, that'll be kitcore.com. okay, as you can see here, kitcore.com. okay, so when you come here, you register obviously a new account. You are not going to be having those kits guys. Okay, and as you can see, these are my kits. Okay, I've got 20 kits on this on kit.co. okay, you simply come here, register for kit.co. If you want me to teach you how to register on kit.co guys, I'll make another video, so you can comment down on the comment site that you want me to teach you how to do that. I can be able to do a video for that. But then for now, this is the first website where we can come and place our affiliate offers, and then we start making money guys. Okay, so you come on this plus button. If you say plus, you can create a kit for yourself. Okay, let's say guys, I'm here to create a kit. Let's say, okay, let me go to Digistore quickly. All right, I just want this is an example guys. There are so many offers here you can choose from, or let me just not create on this one to show you. This is an example. Okay, there are offers here. Okay, let me go into health and fitness. That'll be fitness and health here. We also got other offers here. You understand? If I want to get paid this $3, I'll come here, copy this link from my Digistore. Okay, and then I'll go to kitcore.com. Then what do I want to create here? I want to create a new kit, because of I want to sell this keto offer. You understand? This is a diet offer guys. If you do not know what keto is, all right, it's under health and fitness. So when I'm here, I'll come here and create a new kit. Okay, What am I, okay, the name of the kit, I can write simply health, 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 and fitness. Alright, fitness, not fitness, fitness, okay? And then I'll describe the offer. What is the offer about? Okay, this is a keto offer. If you want to write your description here, guys, you can write a long description up to maybe 5,000 words, and you can also put hashtags. Hashtag that'll be health. Any hashtag, guys, just to make sure that people do find your offer when they're searching for offers under the health niche. All right. So you can put your tags here, as many tags as you want, and then you click next. I'm teaching you how to do the kit, okay? When you are on the kit, remember I copied my affiliate link. I'll paste my affiliate link here. As you see, this is my affiliate link from Digistore. Then I'll say next. You just wait for it here. Now the product is like this, guys, all right? So you come here, you come and add the what? You add the name of your product. I'll go here, Digistore. Okay, this is a keto after 50. Okay, I'll copy this. Okay, go back to my comment, just put it here. Okay, that's the name of the what? That's the name of the product. If I want to know what the product is all about before I actually do anything, I will come here and check the product itself. What am I offering to people? What do I want people to buy? Okay, so I've just clicked on the offer. It must show me what is it all about. Okay, we're introducing a new approach to the ketogenic diet for men and women over the age of 80. Okay, this is everything about the offer, right? So okay, let me see. Okay, I can simply come and copy this, guys, make it my description. Okay, at the same time, while I'm copying this, I can also come here, save this image, guys. Okay, save image. Okay, let me not copy, save image as. Okay, bear with me, you'll see some magic here, guys. How people can simply view your offer without you busy advertising each and every time. You just do this thing once, your affiliate link will always be there for people to view it. All right, so now I've just saved this picture. I'm going to save this picture here. Okay, I've saved the picture, and then I've saved this this part here is my what is my description to the what, to the offer. All right, and then I'll come here and paste this here. Paste this here. Okay, I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, let me see. Okay, instead, let me just start by uploading the picture. All right, I'm going to, you just press the plus button there, and then you come and check your picture here where you saved it. Where did I save this picture? Let me check. Okay, this is the picture, guys. All right, you just put the picture here. Okay, because of I didn't get that copied very well, I'm just going to come back here and copy it again. Okay, we didn't copy very well. Okay, so I'm just going to come back and copy it again, put it as my description. You see my picture is there. All right, so you paste it, add to keep. I've added my product. I've done, guys, like a 1-year job right now. My link is on this kit. My if somebody comes and clicks on this link or on this link, I get paid if they buy from this link. All right, so I'm just going to close this here, come back here, go to analysis. Okay, just wait for it. That'll be the analytics. I just want to see if the product has been added, guys, because I want to show you something that you can also see. So I'm just going to close this video, guys, with this website only, because of this website will actually make money for you, okay? And then there's other 5 websites, as I promised you, because if I can see the video is long, I'm going to make another video on those other websites as well. All right, why is it not moving? Okay, actually I'm on my offers. I've got, as you've seen, guys, I had 21 kits. Okay, I had 20 kits, now I've got 21 kits, so I've got a kit added here. All right, so these are the analytics of the kits. If I come here on my 21 kits, you'll see that I literally like added a kit here. You understand? If somebody clicks on this kit here, they'll actually see, okay, if somebody is interested to see on the health and fitness niche, they are interested in what I'm selling, they'll come here, they'll see this kit. This is the kit. If you didn't see, these are the words that I copied from the seller itself, and then I did put them as my description there. They're appearing and you can see them actually here. All right, so this is the name of the kit. If somebody clicks on this kit, guys, look at this. This is what they'll see. Okay, this is what they'll see. So if they come down here, if they scroll down, you'll see there where it says view on Digistore. They'll click on view on Digistore 24. All right, waiting for it, guys. Okay, now they're viewing this kit on Digistore 24 from kit.co, guys. All right, and you can see if somebody comes here and buys from this link, guys, I get paid. That $3 for this product, I get paid. This is what's happened. This is affiliate marketing, guys. So, guys, this is the website kit.co. Just go there, create yourself a kit. Make sure that you just put the right description and the right text for your kit to be found, and so that you can start making money from this. All right, so this is the website where you can start making money from, guys. All right, and just for you to see, guys, let me go to analytics again. Yeah, you can see people come and view kits, guys. People click on the links on the kits. You can see these are the views on the kits. These are the views on my products. These are the people clicking on my links. Okay, so if you can check, I've got how many products. I've got links here. If we can come here and say view kit, we can view the kit. Let me show you something, guys. View kit. Okay. This kit is basically about I've got affiliate links to the stores on where people can buy animal stuff or pet stuff, dog stuff, things like that. As you see, this is a shop. If somebody clicks on this link, they go and buy from this link using, like if somebody clicks on this link and then they go buy from this link, I get paid by the store, guys. If somebody clicks from this link and buys, I get paid from the store, guys. So I've made a kit. All those stores, actually, it's more like they are my stores. As much as they are here on kitco.com, they are my stores. If somebody clicks on any store here, guys, to buy, that is my money. You understand? So that is how you make money on kitco.com, guys. Okay, so if you want me to show you more websites to make money, subscribe and like my videos, hit the notification bell, and also comment down more so that you can see more websites where you can place your affiliate links in, guys. So thank you, guys, for listening, and thank you, guys. If ever I made any improvement in your life on how to make money online, please like my videos, subscribe so that you can see more videos. All right, thank you. Bye.